Well, it was only a matter of time before I started keeping notes. You see, life at TML Travel Group is never dull, and someone has to record the daily dramas, the triumphs, and the occasional coffee-spilling moments that make this place tick. Welcome to the Moneypenny Files, my weekly dispatches from the nerve centre of travel. Expect a blend of wit, wisdom, and the odd raised eyebrow as I chronicle what really goes on behind the bookings. Because travel isn't just about destinations, it's about the people who make the journey happen. And if you're watching this, you're already part of the story. The Moneypenny Files by TML Travel Group, because every journey deserves a money penny.